Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your one account to an external account, which is still under your name, but that's just an external account. This is a bank-to-bank ACH transfer. Sometimes this kind of transfer helps you to get the bank bonus because they consider this as a direct deposit. It really depends on the banks or the financial institutions how they consider it. But for some banks this works, for some banks this doesn't. But it's still, this is one of the easiest, free and secured way to transfer money from one account to another account, but at a different financial institution, basically for free. So here you see that I am on this account. Now I want to transfer money. You see I have $501. I want to transfer some money from here to an external account. Now how can I do that? So I just go to the transfer. So you see I'm here on the transfer. I can do transfer from because I have $501, I can transfer up to this amount, but I don't have anything to transfer to. So either I can add a account of this same financial institution, or if I want to transfer to a different account, I got to go to external account because I need to add that account first. So in order to add this, I click on external account. So once I click on external account, it is saying you did not complete the transfer. Are you sure you want to exit now? I'm going to say yes. So basically I need to add external account. You see I click on this, I add. Now you can add external account in two different ways. They can connect instantly via plate, it's free, to your external account, or you can give them the account and routing number and they can send two small deposits within 1 to 3 business days. Basically it comes next day or day after, whenever, and then you come back here and verify. Let's first try this one, which is instant via plate. So let's click on that and continue. So now here you see they use this plate to connect your account, so you need to provide them your phone number. So let's say I provide them the phone number. So I provide phone number, I click on continue. Then it's gonna send me a code to my phone. So I'm just gonna wait for that code. So I got a code. Now it is asking which external account I want to transfer the money to, right? So you see there's a list of the bank accounts. So I can select whatever account I like to. Let's say, for example, I wanna do checking. So I hit confirm. So you see that to finish linking this external bank account, you must confirm that you're an authorized owner or have legal authority to use this account by selecting I agree. Below you certify that. So I agree because it's on my name. So I click on confirm, and you say it is saying you have successfully linked your account. Now you can transfer. So click on done, and then now I'm good to transfer the money. Let's try to transfer some money. So I click on transfer again, and I click on transfer from, so this checking account, and then transfer to my checking account. And then let's say I want to transfer, let's say for $50, right? I'm just giving $50 here. So it's a one-time transfer date today. I click on next, and you see from checking to this amount one time, click on next, and I just authorize the transfer. So transfer. So they're gonna send me verification to make sure that I'm the legal owner of this account to do the transfer. So I click on text message, contact option, my number. give send my code, and they're gonna send me a one-time code. Let's take a look. So got a one-time code. Click on verify. Then it success. Your transfer is scheduled. So basically, going from this account to my external account, this is the amount, frequency, one time, transfer date today, and well, this is how you add the external account and try to transfer money. So now let's try to add an account manually, basically giving them the account and routing number to see if it works. So again, click on transfer, and then click on external account, and then add external account. Now we're gonna try to add the account via manual verification. So click on that, and I click on continue. Now you see they're asking me the routing number, right? So let me give them one of the bank's routing number that I have. So I'm trying to get the routing number. Okay, so let me get my routing number. I'm trying to get a routing number and account number of an account so that I can add that. Okay, so here, try. Account. Okay, so I got the routing number of one of my other banks. Okay, so this is the routing number of my other bank. So 124003116. So I click on next. Then it's gonna ask me, you see they identified this is the name of the bank. Then they're asking me the account number. So I'm gonna put my account number here. They're gonna ask me to confirm the account number just to make sure that this is right. Okay, it's right. Then what kind of external account it is? So it's a checking. So click on this. Then I click on next. Now you see, to finish linking this account, you must confirm that you are an authorized owner. So I agree. Click on that. Now it is saying that this is confirm. Now they're gonna verify again. So text message, number, send. They have sent a verification one-time code. Let me see what that code is. So give the code here, verify. Okay, now you see here what they're saying. The account has been added successfully, but they will send a small deposit to my external account to verify. So within 2 or 3 businesses, they're gonna send a small deposit, basically 2 small deposits to verify. Then I need to look at the external account, and then I need to come back here, log in here, navigate to transfer and select an account. Once I verify my external account, it will be available to use for transfers. So this is how the manual verification works. So now I close it, done. Now you see I wanted to add this one. Now you see it says pending verification. So once you receive the 2 small deposits at your other external bank account, you come back here and then you click on verify account. Once you click on verify, they're going to ask you to put those small amounts. Usually it's 2 small amounts, but if it's 1, that's fine. You just need to, whatever they send you, just need to come put it and click on verify. Once you do that, then you'll be able to transfer the money to your external account. So this is all about how to add an external account in two different methods. You can do it played, or you can do manually through routing an account number, which takes 2 to 3 days, but the played one is instant. So this is how we add an external account, and you try to transfer the money from your one account to a different external account, which is under your name. So this is really excellent way to transfer the money, and it also sometimes counts as direct deposit in order to get the bank bonus or any kind of bonus from banks. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions, concerns, and please do not forget to subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.